Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and do the spin only on your Samsung washing machine. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To do a spin only on a Samsung washer, what you need to do is firstly make sure that it is powered on, and then all you need to do is select a main cycle like rinse and spin. So for example, there you go, I just selected rinse and spin. Then press and hold the spin button for 2-3 seconds. So it will be right over here. And once you go ahead and do that, it's gonna simply go ahead and make a chime sound and then time adjust, indicating it's a spin only mode. And then you can simply go ahead and press start. Alternatively, some models have a dedicated spin only option on the dial. This removes excess water without washing. Perfect for hand washed items or respinning damp clothes. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.